Welcome to Pluxid Box Breaking. We're here with another Pluxid Box Break, the Absolute Memorabilia 2010-2011. So we get five cards per pack, 4 packs per box. You can see the box here. And there is the serial number down there. Okay. And as you can see on our list here, we had all but 3 of the spots taken. Pluxid will be holding on to those. Northwest goes to Ice Cold, Central goes to Ice Cold, and Southeast to Ray D213. Alrighty, so let's break this box. First one here. Oh, pack within a pack. Awesome. So Tyreek Evans. Spectrum, Mike Dunleavy. Marks of Fame, John Stockton. Sweet. Okay, and here's our hit. Tools of the Trade, Stephen Curry. That is numbered, my friends. That is out of 10. 4 out of 10. That is a sick card. Look at that. Alright, put that off to the side there. And then Chris Paul.
Is that Spectrum numbered?
Let's see if that Spectrum is numbered for you. Well, let me get that Marks of Fame. Spectrum is numbered. 26 out of 100. Nice call. And this guy. This is also numbered. 322 out of 399. Very nice. Let me pull those out. Make sure you guys see all those. Looking ridiculous. There we go. What I'm seeing immediately is a Spectrum card here up on top, so let's check that out. Oh, nope, I was wrong. Kevin Martin, Chris Kaman, Mark Aguirre. Pretty sick looking card. Absolute Heroes. 35 out of 100. Don't you guys take a look at the card behind it. 35 out of 100. Sick. And here we go. Our first auto. Boom. Paul George. This guy was pretty sick. Coming on at the end of last year. 105 out of 499. Very nice. I think he's going to have a good year this upcoming season, for sure. Put that off to the side. And then we got Marcus Camby.
So Pacers got a hit so far. They're in the Central.
Yep. Pacers got a hit. They got, you guys got Paul George and Mike Dunleavy. You are welcome. Be nice if, I think the Pacers are going to be coming back this upcoming season. Made a lot of good moves. Good draft. Bird's getting another chance. We'll see. Robin Lopez, Mr. Potential right here. Put on his, Anton Jameson. Derek Character, rookie. That is numbered. That is 257 out of 499. Derek Character. Not bad. Put that off to the side. Oh, Danilo Gallinari. And that is a prime patch. That is a sick patch. That is number 7 out of 10. That is quite the hit.
Where's the number on that one?
Right there. Number 7 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah. Prime patch. Very sick. And then David Lee. Another team that I think is going to be doing pretty good next year. they keep Monta Ellis on their team somehow. Can't complain there. Especially if David Lee can stay healthy for the rest of the year. Maybe if Beegren can stay healthy for the rest of the year too. Okay, last pack here. We've hit 3 of the big hits so far.
We're looking for one more auto.
We're looking for one more auto. Exactly. And it appears it's going to be an auto because this doesn't appear to have any... okay, here we go. Kobe Bryant. Jeff Hornacek. I haven't seen that guy in years. Retired. It says right there. And that is 155 out of 499. Pretty nice if you're a old-time Utah Jazz fan. Here we go. Frequent Flyers, Gerald Wallace. I guess that would be the other hit, I think. Nope, the other hit's right behind it. But Gerald Wallace, this is a pretty nice card. Numbered 102 out of 399. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, now this is a sick one. Jeff Teague. Ooh. This guy was coming on at the end of last year for sure. Signed. That, my friends, is our last hit, and it's number 31 out of 199. Pretty low number there. Very sick card. Atlanta Hawks. Set that there. And then our last card, Amari Stoudemire. Okay. So to go over our big 4 here, it's going to be that Jeff Teague card, that Danilo Gallinari card, Paul George, and Stephen Curry. And that's not to go with all the rest of the inserts we have here that are numbered, which are pretty nice.
So that knocks out Central, Pacific, Atlantic, and the Southeast for the raffle.
For the raffle. So it looks like, what? The Southwest and...
Northwest.
The Northwest and the Pacific?
Are they all? No. It's the Northwest and the Southwest are the only 2 in the running for the raffle.
Sweet. All right.
Let's do that.
So, the Southwest and the Northwest. 50-50 chance here, my friend.
Let's show them going into the hat.
There we go. Northwest right there. Southwest right there.
Our official raffle drawing hat.
The Pluxid official raffle hat. You guys are so lucky. Alright, I'm mixing them up. I can't see. Way over my head. Boom. Northwest. Wow. Ice cold.
Alright.
You got the box.
Show them the box. We're going to break this in a separate video.
We're going to break, yep. Press Pass Basketball 2008.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
Yep.